You've done the miles, you've done the rounds, you've pushed your cardio to the absolute limit. But you get into sparring, throw two combinations, and your lungs are on fire. You feel like you've got a hole in your gas tank. The real reason you're gassing out has almost nothing to do with your conditioning. It's a single, invisible enemy that's stealing 90% of your energy before you even get tired. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how to kill it. The enemy is unnecessary muscular tension. Think of your body like a car. Your cardio is your gas tank. It's important. But tension is like driving with the emergency brake pulled. It doesn't matter how big your gas tank is, you're burning fuel at a catastrophic rate just to move. When you're tense, every punch, every slip, every step requires 10 times the energy. Your muscles are fighting against each other. When you're relaxed, your movements are efficient. You only use the exact muscles you need for the exact moment you need them. Let me show you the difference. Here's a 30-second round fighting with tension. Now let's reset. Here's the same 30-second round fighting with active relaxation. Same time, same intensity, radically different energy consumption. That is the power of killing tension. So how do you learn this? You have to make relaxation a conscious habit. We'll use the Shake It Out drill. Step 1. Before you throw, exhale sharply and consciously drop your shoulders. Let your arms hang loose like ropes. Step 2. Throw a single fluid punch, a jab. The moment it makes contact, I want you to immediately shake out your hand and shoulder, forcing it to relax again. Step 3. Do this between every single punch and combination. Punch, shake it out. Combo, shake it out. For the first few weeks, your goal isn't power. Your only goal is to feel the contrast between the explosive moment of impact and the complete relaxation immediately before and after. Your cardio isn't the problem. Your tension is. Start making relaxation a core part of your training, and you will unlock a gas tank you never knew you had. The drill is simple. The hard part is remembering to do it. Are you willing to put in the work? Let me know in the comments. If this explanation helped you, hit that subscribe button. We're here to help you train smarter, not just harder. And if you're ready for the next step, I've put my video on the 5 levels of mastery right here. It's the perfect way to understand your entire fighting journey. Click it and watch it now. Train smart. Stay ready.